What's up, everybody? Jim Reynolds here, sitting here on another hot July evening. About 97 degrees this evening, and it's getting dark. Starting to get that way, but my back's still bothering me. Trying to get to, I don't know what to do about it. I want to show you a few mounting options I have decided to go with on the Reynolds-Life. On the front down here, I have a GoPro Hero 7 Silver with a clamps attachment on it. Seems pretty secure. And I also have the waterproof case that goes along with that if I decide I'm going to try to use it in the rain. That's GoPro Hero 7 Silver. Good little camera. It's the first camera I ever bought. This is my newest camera. I just got it last week as an early birthday present. It's a GoPro Hero 13 Black. Of course, I'm not going to go into all the features. But one of the features of this one, it's waterproof or water resistant up to 10 meters in depth. So, as long as that little door on the side is secure and closed, it shouldn't matter if it gets wet. Not that I'm going to do it anymore than I have to. And there's no way that I know of to put an external mic on it unless you put a media mod on it. Which I guess the media mod I have for the GoPro Hero 9 Black that I'm using the video, this will work with that one. At least what I've read says it will. So, possibility I could use the 13 on my helmet as my main camera with the media mod and put the 9 that I'm using to video this where that one is. Give me 3 camera mounting positions. Not that I'm looking for any Oscar-winning cinematography awards or anything like that. A little something different. My back's been bothering me since April, and I guess about got to the point where I'm resigned to the fact that it's just something I'm going to have to live with. Take what I can for the pain, do what I can for the pain. I guess it's just what I got to do. I can't just not do anything. I can't just sit here and do nothing. Audio remains to be seen. I've tried the Purple Panda lavalier mic in my helmet, which I've been using that way for a long time, but I'm still not happy with the amount of wind noise I get with that. Like I say, I'm not looking for any friggin' Oscar-winning awards here for all my videos, just trying to share what I do. It up to 301 subscribers, and I greatly appreciate those of you who subscribe and support the channel. Like I say, it's just not much to get excited about, just me and my life and on the bike and anything else that interests me. I appreciate your support, and we'll catch you later.